The event tonight has been amazing. I couldn't ask for anything better. There's been great food, great company, great drinks. It's just a great time to learn about the new products and what Symmons has to offer for plumbers like me.
You don't get things like this a lot. It was super informational, it was super hands-on.
We had a cool contest, we were giving away prizes.
There's a competition installing the new valves with the brackets on them and the old style Symmons valves without the brackets to basically see which one is quicker. I would definitely use it and recommend it.
So I participated in the fastest hands. I might not have been the fastest hands, but clearly your new valve is amazing. But I know that it's going to save me a lot of time.
The best part of the event today was getting to see the new shower valves with the new brackets actually, and I can't wait to install my next shower valve.
I like the factory tour the best because I like to see how the things are made, how they go together and all the pieces.
If you've never been to the event, you have to come here. The camaraderie is incredible. The Symmons people are great. They make a wonderful night for everybody.
I can definitely be interested in a company that puts this much effort into customer appreciation.
I think that's perfect for the contractors, to meet the people that work here, to get more familiarized with the new products. This is probably one of the best experiences that I've had working with a company with a product that I use on a regular basis.